The Life History of Rabbits by Katie Thorne and Naomi Hagen. The typical population information. The population of rabbits is about 709 million worldwide. The population density of rabbits where they're common is 3 to 5 rabbits per acre. And there's a 50-50 ratio of females to males in newborn litters. Rabbits usually live in family groups until the offspring move out. Rabbits will mate for life. Rabbits are found throughout most of the world. They originated in Europe. Cottontail rabbits evolved from the European rabbit and are found in the Americas. Rabbits, however, are not found in southern South America. They're invasive species in Australia.
Sex and mating within rabbit population. Both male and females contribute equally to the gene pool of the gametes and the offspring. Their genome is comprised of diploid cells that is organized into 21 pairs of autosomes and 2 sex chromosomes. Mating between rabbits. Rabbits reach sexual maturity at 6 to 7 months of age. Sexual maturity means that the rabbits can now start reproducing. Rabbits can be in heat and will show signs of being restless, and they rub their chins on objects because that's what they would do while mating. The male chases the female until she turns around and fights him with her front paws. This is called rabbit boxing, and this is the beginning of their mating. Males run around the female until he's able to mark her. Marking involves the passing over her chin and sometimes urinating on her, as in he's marking her as his territory. If the female is receptive, she will lie down to encourage the mounting of the male. If not receptive, she will display aggression or she will run away. The mating process between rabbits is rapid. The frequency of mating. The breeding season begins in February or March and then continues until September. Rabbits are capable of reproducing year-round, however. Mating occurs about 4 to 5 times a year, and each breeding cycle will take about 65 to 75 days. Birth and child rearing. Growth of the embryo. The development of rabbits starts with the diploid zygote, or egg. The embryo develops in one of the 2 uteri because rabbits do have 2. Rabbits are diuterosomes, which means that they develop from their anus first as opposed to their mouth. The young are born alive and with no fur or eyesight. The gestation period, or the pregnancy term, is about 28 to 35 days. Birth of the kittens. Kittens is another word for a baby rabbit. The mother will make a nest, which is where she will deliver and care for the fluffle, which is a group of baby rabbits. The nest is lined with the mother's fur, and while the mother is delivering them, she will lick them to get them clean. Kittens can open their eyes after about 10 days, and then 2 weeks after birth, their fur will start to grow in. Parental care. Kittens stop needing milk from the mother after 3 to 4 weeks, and this is when they are weaned off. After that, they are able to go out and explore, and then return to the nest to go to sleep. They will stay with their mother until they are 4 to 5 weeks old, which then they will be off on their own. The average litter size is about 7 kittens.
The lifespan and death in rabbit populations. The average lifespan of a rabbit in the wild is 9 years. Natural predators of rabbits include foxes, owls, hawks, eagles, falcons, and wild dogs. Rabbits will depend on fruits, vegetables, grasses, and seeds for food. The mortality rate of the young rabbits, which are called kittens, is about 10%. Mortality rate of 4 to 8 week old rabbits is very high. And then the mortality rate of over 3 months old rabbits decreases significantly. The common causes of death in rabbits are parasitic conditions, bacterial diseases, nutritional and metabolic disorders, viral infections, and injuries. The evolutionary constraints and adaptability. Female rabbits can get pregnant immediately after delivering a litter. Rabbits can become sexually active at just a few months old. Rabbits can also reproduce year-round, even outside of their mating season. Female rabbits have 2 uteri. Reproductive strategy is possibly an evolutionary response to being hunted by many different predators and humans throughout the world. Energy consumption in rabbits. Most of rabbits' energy goes towards reproduction. Since they have so many offspring, energy is used to care for the young. However, their young mature very quickly. A lot of energy is also used finding mates. Rabbits have a lot of offspring as quickly as possible instead of spending energy growing and maturing before reproducing.
Overall, rabbits have adapted to use the majority of their energy on mating and reproducing.